Hello, kumusta po? Isa po ba kayo sa family member ng isang OFW or isa sa mga nagtatrabaho sa abroad na paminsan-minsan nagpapadala ng balikbayan boxes to bring joy and hope na sana kasama niyo sila nung nakaraang Pasko or kung may holiday? Um, Bilang isa sa anak ng isang OFW, naunawaan ko na maraming struggles, medyo malungkot yung malayo sa abroad, di po ba? And then marami tayong sacrifices na ginagawa para lang ma-provide natin yung lahat ng pagmamahal para sa ating pamilya. If I wish I know Atomy in the past, iba na sana yung level ko ngayon. But I am so grateful na natutunan ko yung tool na ito. Isa sa tool na masasabi kong napakagandang regalo para sa akin ng aking sponsor. So that's why I'm so grateful with him na ipinakilala niya sa akin yung Atomy. And Atomy is not just about the product. So kung marinig niyo po yung Atomy sa kapamilya niyo sa Pilipinas or sa kapamilya niyo from abroad kung nasa Pilipinas kayo, sana mabigyan nyo ng chance na alamin or aralin si Atomy. Aralin nyo yung company, aralin nyo yung mga products, itry nyo yung mga products of course, and then know about the compensation plan or kung paano kumita kay Atomy. And most of all, alamin na meron tayong success system. Hindi kailangan na nakapagtapos, hindi kailangan na may pinag-aralan, hindi kailangan na bata ka, pwede po ang matanda. Regardless of your situation at this time, baka po para sa inyo ang Atomy. So kung nagpapadala or gusto niyo makareceive ng balikbayan boxes, this is another way to do it. But if you also would like to consider this as a business, Atomy is a great tool and pwede ko po kayong matulungan in your journey to 100,000 para maagang makaretire or para matulungan niyo yung anak hanggang sa inyong apo kasi po ang account ng Atomy pwedeng ipamana up to the third generation. Okay. Ako po si Diamond Master Relin Pilapil Minorca of the Marinduque Global Center. And for today, gusto ko pong ipakita sa inyo ang mga countries na available sa Europe. Ayan. So, sa mga kamag-anak ko, yan, kapamilya, ka-K-system, kaibigan, kung may kakilala kayo sa Europe at nagustuhan mo ang produkto, heto na. Okay? Let me just share my screen. Ayan. Kung nanonood ka ng live or ng replay ng presentation na ito, make sure i-comment nyo kung nasa ang country kayo. And kung may mga kilala sa abroad, um, taga saang country sila. Okay. So, let me discuss with you kung ano-anong mga countries ang matatagpuan sa Europe. I mean, na pwede nang may online shopping mall. Let me rephrase it. Ano-ano ng countries sa Europe ang may online shopping mall? So, that means yung online shopping mall sa Europe is pwede na mag-ship ng product within that particular country. Okay, so right now, meron sa Pilipinas, meron sa Amerika, at merong 27 regions. So, kung mag-register po kayo bilang member ng Atomy, you have the option to become a consumer or distributor. And, ang mga countries na meron sa Europe is Austria. Ayan, parang binibining universe lang, parang Miss Universe lang. So, forgive me kung hindi ko ma-pronounce ang countries na to kasi hindi ko po expertise ang English pronunciation. Okay, so kung may nakatira po kayong kaibigan sa Austria, Belgium, Bulgaria, Croatia, Cyprus, ayan, okay, mabigkas na di umbrellan. Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Iceland, Ireland, of course, Italy, Latvia, Lithuania, Luxembourg, Malta, Monaco, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovenia, Spain, Sweden, and Switzerland. Ayan, alam ko maraming maling pronunciation sa sinabi ko. So, yan yung countries na kasama dun sa Europe Online Shopping Mall. So, if they are living in that particular country, you can actually share Atomy and you can give them free access. Okay. Other countries na nasa Europe is yung Russia, Turkey, and of course, United Kingdom. So, kapag nag-login sa website, ayan, makikita nyo dun sa kanan. Pag click nyo yung link, yan, makikita nyo yung iba-ibang link within the North America, Latin America, Central Asia, and of course sa Europe. So, direct website po for the Europe is shop.atomy.com/EU. And then meron din po tayong Atomy Shop or yung app na pwede niyong in-download using your cell phone. So kung iPhone kayo or Android kayo, i-search nyo lang yung Atomy Shop. SHOP. At pwede niyong ma-access or ma-view yung mga products na available online. So ano nga ba ang consumer sa Atomy? Ibig sabihin, once you are a consumer, kasi libre po ang registration or ang membership or libre ang magkaroon ng access sa Atomy Shop app or sa website. You have a global access to all the countries. You can actually enjoy more savings. Discounted price na yung makukuha nyo from the online shopping mall. And of course, napakaganda po ng kalidad ng mga produkto and mababa yung presyo. Yun yung tinatawag nating prestige strategy ng Atomy. Very unique sa Atomy kasi mass production or pangmasa ang presyo. Pero napakamura. Okay? Hindi po pwedeng pantayan ng ibang company. Okay. So if you log into the website or if you go to the website, your sponsor. So kung first time nyo pong gagawin or first time nyo magbibigay ng access, make sure ikonsulta po sa inyong sponsor or ask me, especially if you're part of my team, para mailinya natin ng tama ang inyong kapamilya at ang inyong mga kakilala. Kasi isa yan sa mga mali ko nung unang taon or unang 2 taong ginagawa ko si Atomy. Okay, so your sponsor should be giving you an access to join, to sign in. Meron po kaming ID and yung guest password. So of course, if you just like to be a consumer, you would select consumer and then fill out the informations needed. Kung gusto niyo naman pong gawin na business, of course, it would ask different informations para makalog in kayo as a distributor. Okay, next. I-click yung join us as a consumer. You have to read the general terms and conditions, privacy notice, and yung conditions for the sales of products. Kasi ang Atomy po is an online shopping mall. Bawal po tayong magbenta sa ibang online platform. Let's say eBay, Amazon, Shopee, Lazada, ayan. Bawal pong bumili ng bulto-bultong produkto sa Atomy and then ibebenta. Bawal din pong i-retail, okay? So, alamin po kasi the combination ID na makukuha nyo sa Atomy is the best number na makukuha nyo para sa sarili nyo. So, I'm saying this kasi mahalaga po, okay? Huwag po natin i-violate yung code of ethics ng Atomy. After you agree to those terms and conditions, the website will ask you to put in your email. So sa mga magme-members po in Europe, kailangan po ng email verification. Once you put your email, you will click send verification email. And then hanapin mo sa yung email. It would send you the link. Okay, you have to click that. And then once you verify and you receive that in your email, you can click next. Okay, so kung hindi po makita, make sure na hanapin sa spam email. Okay, or you can resend. Okay, after hitting next, this screen will display. Ayan. So, yung marireceive nyo pong code sa inyong email, ilagay nyo po kung ano yung code na nandun before nyo i-press yung word na confirm. Okay? So, meron pong 6-digit or 4-digit. I think this time they're sending a 6-digit code na pwede nyo ilagay dyan. And then hit confirm. After doing that, you can hit next. And then you have to fill out the form. First, you have to put in your cell phone number. Depende po sa inyong countries, like kung Austria, kung Italy, kung Lithuania, yan. Ilagay nyo yung a specific country code for your country and then put the entire number. Make sure you are writing the right spelling of your legal name as it displays in your legal document. Your first name and last name is definitely required. Okay? Date of birth, i-click po yung calendar and then select the year first and the month. And then you tap in the specific date kung kailan po kayo pinanganak. Okay? And then gender, kung Mr., kung Miss pa lang or Mrs., isang category lang or kung ayaw nyong ilagay, yan. And then of course, password. Reminder for creating a unique password, you have to have a capital letter, a small letter, a number, and a special character. Okay? Bawal po yung sunod-sunod na number like 1, 2, 3 or 2, 3, 4. Bawal yan. Bawal din po yung inuulit-ulit na number. Let's say 777. So, bawal po yan. Okay? So, different countries have their own specific requirements for creating the password. But that's the safest way to create the password. Usually, it's about 14 characters or less. But make sure you have the capital letter, small letter, number or numbers, and a special character, at least one. After that, you hit next, okay? So let's say I fill this out. This is my name. And then I fill that out. I'll hit next. And then if you know the sponsor ID, you would say yes to this question. Okay? Kung hindi naman po alam ang sponsor ID, I guess hindi kayo makaka-register, right? So you need to have a sponsor to register to Atomy. Okay. Ila-log in or ita-type in nyo yung number na binigay ni sponsor. And then hit search. After you hit search, confirm because it would display the sponsor name and the number. Make sure this is the correct name and the sponsor ID is displaying appropriately. Kasi kahit isang number lang yung mamali nyo dyan, lalo na yung dulo, baka sa ibang linya po kayo mapunta. Hindi dun sa mismong linya ng sponsor nyo. So mag-ingat po sa pag-key in ng combination number ng sponsor ID. And then you hit confirm. After this, kung may nakalinya na po sa kaliwa ni sponsor, you will be automatically assigned sa right side ng sponsor na yan. Kung wala naman, definitely sa left kayo ilalagay. So, again, if this is your first time doing this, wag pong lagay lang ng lagay, okay? Make sure na dire-diretso lang muna tayo sa kaliwa until you are truly decided to do this as a business. And kung consumer naman, make sure na nasa kaliwa kayo. You don't wanna be on the right side of someone na hindi naman seryoso sa business. So make sure you take note of that. Okay. So kung namali po ng paglagay ng number, let's say ni-review mo, ay hindi pala ito yung sponsor na ibinigay sa akin. But parang iba yung pangalan, nag-iba yung pangalan. Then i-click mo, no, I want to change that sponsor. And the screen will go back to the previous screen and then you have to search again yung sponsor ID before you can confirm. Okay, take note again. If you are registering, you should receive a unique ID. Usually, sunod-sunod. Not usually, definitely sunod-sunod. Kanina, si sponsor ID is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0. Ngayon, ang ID mo na is 7, 8. Okay. Example lang po yan ng ID. At this time, we have about 16 million members globally. So, consecutive number, dire-diretso lang yung pag-create ng number. Kung nauna ang US at this time, in few seconds, baka may India. In few seconds, baka may Mexico. Okay, so that's why. So you'll know that you are registered after you receive the ID. So kung ano man yung ID na ibigay sa inyo or yung combination number na ibinigay sa inyo, make sure mag-login po sa website using this number and yung password na create nyo to make sure na na-access nyo sa website. At kung hindi nyo man po ma-access, make sure you ask the sponsor kung nakikita ba niya. Nakikita mo ba ako sa linya mo? Nakikita mo ba ako sa downline mo? Kasi kung hindi, kailangan nating tawagan ng customer service kasi baka may namaling na pindot. Okay, next, how to become the distributor. So, kanina, you chose to be a consumer, but this time, if you wanna log in or if you wanna register as a distributor. So ano yung pinaka-difference nila? Consumer and distributor, pareho pong libre. But with the distributor, the main difference is that you can accumulate unlimited passive income because being a distributor, you have the opportunity to earn cash back and you have the opportunity to climb up to mastership level. So, mastership level means, kasi po sa Atomy may 7 levels. So, ang una is sales master and then diamond master, like me, diamond master. um, Sharon Rose Master, Star Master, Royal Master, Crown, and then yung huling-huli is Imperial Master. And you also have the opportunity to enjoy the mastership bonus kung mastership climber ka. So you have 24 chances to get a bonus sa Atomy. So ganun siya ka-generous. Actually po, you actually work hard and smartly in the first 3 years. Once you put that effort, talagang matutuwa ka na pumapasok na yung passive income. Okay? Hindi pa ako nagsisinungaling. I'm a living testimony of that. Kasi nung una, baliw lang ako sa products. But eventually, when I learned how to earn the income, madali na. Kasi ikaw lang naman talaga ang, at tawag dito, ikaw lang talaga ang consumer ng online shopping mall mo. You buy what you need, and that's it. And then, if you love the products, you share it to your loved ones and to everyone you know. Okay? Kung ma-promote naman po for the mastership, you also have the opportunity to receive promotion gifts. May mga one-time promotion gifts po. Atomy products, sometimes travel, sometimes yung car. Ayan. And of course, pag Imperial, ibang level na yon. We'll discuss that in the future. And pareho lang ng consumer, libre po. You have the global access and pwede kang mag-shop between different countries. Okay? Pwede kang magpadala ng balikbayan box all the way to the Philippines without paying international fees. So, diretso na. Pwede ka rin mamigay ng regalo sa mga kaibigan mo around the globe if that's what you want. Okay, so how to join as a distributor? Same thing, you'll get to that page. Click in distributor. You will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions to become a member of Atomy. And then, again, send an email, a verification email to your account. Look at your spam email, look at your email, and type in the code that was sent to your email. Kung hindi makita, baka nasa spam, okay? Type in the code and then hit confirm. Then the next button will lit up and you can hit next. After that, you type in all the informations. Okay. So, eto yung kanina sa consumer. So, anong difference? Now, if you are registering as a distributor, ang difference lang is, now you have to type in yung location of residence mo, of course. Yung citizenship, are you a citizen of Italy? Or you have to be a citizen or a resident at least, okay? Yung passport number at kailangang nagbabayad ng tax, okay? Kung citizen ka ng Philippines, of course, at wala kang tax number sa Italy, you cannot join as a distributor sa Italy. So what you could do is, you have to register under the Philippine account kung yun yung mga information na meron ka. Kasi you can have different memberships or different kind of account. Like ako, I'm a US account kasi yung social security number ko or tax number ko is within US. So, my membership is under USA. But I'll do transaction and I'll do business within the Philippines. And then, of course, you have to send a proof of the front of your ID or your passport and then yung front side ng inyong tax number. So, depende po sa country, iba-iba yung tawag niyan. Okay? So, sa Italy, ano ba? Nakalimutan ko, hindi ko sigurado. But, of course, kung ano man yung proof nyo na nagbabayad kayo ng tax or yung proof of residency, you have to include that picture. You select file. So, picturean po using your cell phone. Select file and then upload it. And then, of course, the system would ask if you have a sponsor. Same thing, you search your sponsor, you verify if this is your sponsor ID. That would position you in the left or on the right of that sponsor, depende kung saan na kayo nakalagay. Kung namali, again, change the sponsor. Okay po? And then, wag aalis hanggat hindi mo nakukuha yung combination number mo once you registered sa Atomy. Okay. So, kung hindi ikaw mismo ang gagawa nito and someone else is doing this, medyo tricky kasi you have to be doing it at the same time. So, let's say, when I registered Miss Jimina, at the same time, tinetext ko siya. Kasi kailangan niya ibigay sa akin yung confirmation code at that time na nagsisend ng verification. You only have a limit of 10 minutes. Kasi kung hindi yun mabigay, then we have to resend the link. So, ganyan kaganda si Atomy. We make sure na hindi ka robot or hindi ka peking tao. Okay? So, if you guys have any question about sa Europe, don't hesitate to send me a question or send me a message. You can send me an email, ralenatomy@gmail.com. Yun po yung email ko. And thank you again for listening. So, let me know if you have friends sa Europe na pwede nating bigyan ng free access sa Atomy. Thank you for watching!